appreciate the opportunity to come and just introduce myself. My name's Curt. I'm the new judge in the Hamilton County Municipal Court. I was appointed to replace Judge Russ Mock. Judge Russ Mock went up to the Court of Appeals, and so his seat was vacant, and so it was vacated, so I was appointed to that seat. I just want to come out, what I'm kind of doing is going around, because with the municipal court, it's divided up into districts. Okay, so Hamilton County has 7 judicial municipal court districts. So each district has 2 judges from each district. So my district includes, if I just go from east to west, is Anderson Township, Newtown, Mount Lookout, Mount Washington, Hyde Park, Fairfax, Mariemont, Norwood, and then drops down along Eastern Avenue, runs along Eastern Avenue, and picks up Mount Adams and kind of the southeastern side of downtown Cincinnati. So that's my district. So what I'm trying to do is just to get out to everyone. Even though I hear cases throughout the entire county, you're elected from the specific district in which you're appointed. So this is the 4th Judicial District. Just by way of background, I'm a graduate of Anderson High School, graduated from Anderson in 1983. Went to the University of Cincinnati for undergrad, University of Dayton for law school. When I left, when I graduated from law school, I joined the Hamilton County Prosecutor's Office. The then prosecutor, Art Ney, hired me to the office, and I remained there for 5 years under Joe Dieters, doing as a criminal trial prosecutor. So I handled the whole variety of criminal trials, many cases which were investigated by and with the assistance of the coroner's office. And let me say the great relationship that Dr. Samarco in the coroner's office have with the county prosecutor's office, which we see evidencing itself today. But I was a prosecutor for 5 years. I was also part of the Ohio Organized Crime Commission. I was a special prosecutor assigned to a multi-jurisdictional task force, federal and state units, prosecuting organized crime in Southwest Ohio. So I did that for 5 years, and then went into private practice, and I practiced law at the firm of Rendigs, Fry, Connolly & Dennis. I became a partner there. The past 3 years, I was the court administrator in the Hamilton County Juvenile Court. Interesting experience. Worked with Judge John Williams, and had a great career, and 3 of the most interesting years. And with some of the people, let me just say, with juvenile court, and I know there's a lot you've read in the media about juvenile court and what's taken place over the past several years, but I just want to say that there are roughly 289 employees in juvenile court who are truly dedicated to doing what's in the best interest of the kids and the families in Hamilton County. Regardless of the circumstances, they really persevered and did a tremendous job of making sure that kids in the community remain safe, and to the extent that parents who are having problems, and we talk about the heroin epidemic, trying to deal and trying to make parents better parents so they can take care of their children. So, so I was appointed roughly about 6 weeks ago. It's been a tremendous experience. The beauty of municipal court is it's whether you call it the people's court or whatever, it truly is the court where kind of maybe there before the grace of God go I, where you see so many people, regardless of their social structure or their social status, could be there. Whether it's an executive from Procter & Gamble charged with domestic violence, or OVI cases, all types of misdemeanor offenses. But it's a tremendous place to be. And I just want to just reach out that if you have any questions, I know Chief, that a lot of times you get input and find out what's taking place, crimes that are occurring, and a vast majority of the crimes that you all see or may experience wind up in municipal court in front of me and my 13 other colleagues. But if you ever have any question of what takes place with a case after the police department have charged it, and how it turns out in court, feel free to contact me. I'm located in room 124 of the courthouse. My phone number in the courtroom, it's 946-5138, 946-5138. Don't hesitate to call me, and I'm happy to share any information that I can on anything that's taking place in the courthouse. Anyone have any questions? Great, thank you, and good to see you, Dr. Marco. Appreciate it. Thank you, everyone.
Did any of our other Boy Scouts show up here tonight? No. Okay, Chief, if you come up, it's your turn to introduce your guest.